Find graphically the feasible region, if any, of the following LPP. I am doing here one part, one number. Given maximize z equal to this, subject to this one and this one are the constraints, and this x greater equal to 0, y greater equal to 0, this indicate that the solution will be in the first quadrant. Actually non-negative value of x and y. Now see max z I have written here, and subject to these two constants I have written here. Now similar equation you have to write. In place of less than equal to or greater than equal to, you have to give equal to sign. Then next technique is right side you have to bring 1. How to bring 1? Divide by 12, divide by 12, divide by 12. So 3x divided by 12 means 3 4 are 12. 2y divided by 12 means 2 6 are 12. So y by 6, 12 by 12, that is 1. Here also divide by 13. So 2x by 13, 2 if you cut by 13, 6.5. 3y by 4.3 it is, sorry, y by 4.3 it is coming. And 13 by 13, that is 1. Now x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. The point is a comma 0 and 0 comma b. Here also a comma 0 and 0 comma b. This is comma and this is point. Then next part you have to test by 0 0. Okay, testing part I am telling later, and first after getting this point do the graph. Graph you can do in the graph sheet or freehand. You see here 4 comma 0, 1 2 3 4 comma 0 here. Then 0 comma 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, sorry 5 6 here. So join these two points, you will get equation number. This equation is here. Then take this point 6.5 comma 0. This is 4 5 6. Then after that some little, that is 6.5. 4.3 1 2 3 4, then little 4.3. Join these two. So that is equation number 2, or in equation number 2, this one. Now testing part. Testing part means you have to test, you have to take such a point which is not in the line. So 0 0 point is not on the line. So I have taken 0 0 point for testing. Test by 0 0. Test by O, that is 0 0. That means you put value of x 0, value of y 0 here. Then it is coming 0 less equal to 12, and here 0 less equal to 13. Both are true. So for this line, true means you have to line 0 0 direction, you have to shade. This 0 0 direction shade will come. This line also, this 0 0 direction shade will come. Here is 0 0, so this way shade will come. Now here it is told that x greater equal to 0, y equal to 0. That means our solution will be in the first quadrant only. So when you are giving shade, don't come out like this. Don't come out. Then which portion will be the shaded region? Only this portion will be the shaded region. If you give name O, A, B, C, and here also give one name, let's say E. So what will be the feasible region? O, A, E, D, O. But here feasible region is not asking. Oh, feasible region they are asking. Here find graphically the feasible region. So O, A, E, D, O. But here my suggestion that you solve the question also. How to solve that I have shown here. Next part, generally it is coming in the exam that you solve also graphically. Here it is asking feasible region, but they don't ask to solve also graphically. For that, this corner we have to find. Shaded regions corner. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners are there. So this point origin you know, this point also you know 4 comma 0, this point is 0 comma 4.5, and this comma you do not know. For that you have to solve these two equations simultaneously. Now simultaneously means this equation, you see, here give equal to sign and here give is equal to sign. These two equation you solve. Here it is solved by elimination method, and then value of y also, value of x also it is got. Now after this, after getting x and y, so this is the point 2 comma 3 is the point here. This is the point 2 comma 3. Now this corner points you write one table you have to draw whose heading will be points and max z. Then the points you put, which is point 0 0 you got here, 4 0 you have got here, 0 comma 4.3 here, and 2 3 also there. So these 4 points. Now you put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Then you will get max z value 0. Then x equal to 4, y equal to 0. So 4 into 5 that is 20 plus 0 that is 20. X equal to 2, y equal to 3 put here. So 3 5s are 2 5s are 10, 3 7s are 21. So 31 is coming. Then 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 4.3 you put here. Then you are getting 30.1. Now question is that what will be the solution? Since the question is maximize z, so maximum value will be the solution 31. So max z at which point? At x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 point. This value is maximum. So that is our required answer. If in the question they ask solve the problem graphically. That's all.